Recently we're featuring the new Cyprus tax return year, and I want to feature in this episode asylum seekers. Asylum seekers are a different type of expat. An expat is somebody who's living and working abroad on a short term, and once you get into a longer term, 5 years or more, that can become a permanent residency or a citizenship. Asylum seekers are fleeing conflict from around the world and protected under international law, which is a good thing. The question mark in our modern society in 2024 is whether that asylum seeker rules are being abused by criminals to profit and traffic people around the world for their own safety. That's one thing. The issue I want to cover today is the fact that an asylum seeker, once they're relocated in a new country, for example Cyprus, they get registered and they've got that protection while their case has been examined. So if they can prove that they are fleeing conflict, they can stay in the longer term. However, in the short term, they have to be integrated into the local society, which means finding housing and work. The big change to the law in 2024 in Cyprus is that an asylum seeker now cannot be employed until they've been registered as an asylum seeker for 9 months in Cyprus. For whatever the political reasons are for this, it means that new asylum seekers coming into Cyprus now are dissuaded that they can't immediately jump into a relatively well-paying job than their home country. So what the asylum seeking rules are trying to do is protect people fleeing conflict, but bring out and highlight economic migrants just looking for an opportunity to earn more money in a different location. And this is what we're looking to do here in Cyprus. So now any new asylum seeker cannot look for work for 9 months, so they have to be registered for 9 months. So practically for the first year an asylum seeker is not going to be able to work at all. So that then is isolating the economic benefit to take low paid jobs away from local residents. If an expat is running a Cyprus business and wants to employ asylum seekers for the skills that they may offer their business, be that in the tourist sector or other, then that employment has to take a different route. And how that needs to progress is that the employer needs to register to be able to employ asylum seekers. So not only does the asylum seeker have to wait 9 months after registration before they can apply for asylum, the employer, if you're an employer in Cyprus, you have to now register before you can employ those asylum seekers. And only registered employers can then take on legally an employee. An interesting practical approach to dissuade economic migrants flouting the asylum rules, which are designed to protect people fleeing conflict. Economic migrants won't find an easy passage to find income in Cyprus, and people are forcibly removed if that's the case. If you're an expat business in Cyprus and you're looking to employ asylum seekers in Cyprus, you need to register your business, and for more help and guidance on that, you can contact us at priorpartnership.com.